Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Housekeeping and Hospitality. And in today's topic we'll discuss about guest complaint and the best solution in hospitality industry, how you'll deal with guest complaints in an effective way. So everybody know the old saying that the customer is always right. Those working in the customer service business might argue with the statement. However, each of us is a customer of some kind and felt that your truth is the one and only, that you are a customer. You always deal with customers in hospital industry, that is called guest. And when you are becoming a guest, you also somehow feel the same way. So guest complaint in the hospitality business are almost a daily occurrence. Some of those complaints are smaller, but some of them can do a serious harm. So all the complaints we should take very seriously and tackle effectively. 13% of unhappy customer will share their bad experience with 15 or even more people. And as you most probably know, guests complain much more often about bad things rather than complaining about good things or complimenting about good things. So how to deal with guest complaints? This is a very major part in hospitality industry, and every hotelier, every hospitality personnel should know how to deal effectively with guest complaints. You may face a lot of types of guests in the hospitality industry, but you should be knowing how to deal with them. Okay, this is very easy and this is very difficult. So if you know, this is very easy, and if you don't know, it's very difficult for you to tackle. No matter how good your service is, there is always going to be someone who will find a reason to complain, and sometimes it has nothing to do with your service or the product. So out of nothing also you will get guest complaints in hospitality industry. Might be that guest is having a bad day and you simply happen to be in the wrong time at the wrong place, but you can make it the perfect place if you know how to deal with guest complaints. All the complaints, whatever may be the place, if you know how to tackle the guest, all the complaints are very easy for you, and you will be happy to solve all these complaints. So some advice: where should you focus when dealing with guest complaints? There are peoples, there are experiments, there are experiences, shows few suggestions, few advices. So what are they? We'll discuss here. Usually when someone is complaining, they are angry and want to be heard first. So you have to show your empathy for the situation. Keep quiet, listen to them, because they want you to listen to them first. They don't want to listen to you first. Always listen to what a person has to say. Don't cut him off. Don't start explaining while the person is still talking. Let them finish first. So what we have decided, or what we have learned here, first let them talk. Sometimes just expressing a frustration can already give a relief. Manage your voice tone and pick words carefully. Emotionally heated person can't cope with certain phase of actions. So you have to be very careful while picking your words. Emotionally heated person can't cope with the certain phase of action. Know at least a very basic tactics for anger, stress management. So first listen to him, what he is trying to explain, what is his problem, because he is hurt. Always apologize and admit if there was a mistake done. Even if a guest is mad about something, that has nothing to do with you or even your hotel. So you have to listen to them, apologize him, and be calm, be cool. Apologize that the guest is experiencing a bad emotion and ensure that something can be done in order to make them feel better. Something damage already been happened, so we'll make sure we'll do something for him so that he'll feel better. Various studies show that if the complaints are handled quickly, guests are even highly possible to become loyal. Admitting mistakes show your honesty and can help to solve even the worst situation. Whatever maybe will come in your way, you can handle them very nicely. So effectiveness, patience, and your capability to hear the guest first. So that means how patient you are while dealing with the guest complaints, and how fast you are giving a solution. So while listening to the guest complaint, you have to find a solution then and there in your mind. So you have to prepare your mind prior to tackle a guest complaint. So find a solution. It is necessary to find a way how to solve a situation. Sometimes a simple sorry can do a miracle. People are not always interested to get compensated for some unpleasant situation. There are different kind of guests, so you never know who does what. But if you can offer an upgrade or something extra like breakfast, drink, spa, that would always work just fine. Or complimentary towels, more bath amenities if you'll place. Okay, give a courtesy call in the morning, how you are, follow up. So what are the follow-ups you have to do? There are a lot of follow-ups you have to do. What complaints he has given, is it followed, is it rectified, how he is now, is he happy, is he happy, so what he required more. Follow up with the guest. If you solve the situation, don't leave it as it is. A guest might feel that you just got rid of their problem and push them out of your head. So you have to be with the guest. Okay, you have to be with the guest till the guest is there in our hotel. Guests always should be in the center of your business universe. So even if you solve their issue, ask if you know anything, everything is fine, maybe they need something else. Example, you should solve the issue by giving your guest a room with a better view. You can always ask the guest next time when you see this guest in the lobby, ask if everything is fine in a new room, if they're enjoying the view, if there is something else they might need more from you. Okay, you can definitely give a good morning or good evening visit to the guest and exceed guest expectations. Always, if the guest is having an issue, okay, if you have tried and solved the issue, so don't stop there. You have to go one step ahead, exceed the guest expectations. So guest will come back again. He will remember you for always. And exceed guest expectation means even if you follow up with the guest after solving the issue, go the extra mile. When guest will be leaving, offer a discount for a next stay or offer complimentary transport to the airport. Remember his birthday, his anniversary, wish them, okay, call them. Might be that unpleasant incident is already forgotten. So these nice little touches will create a very positive attitude towards your hospitality. You admitted your mistake, you solve it, and you made right apology gesture for it. Okay, go extra mile. Happy goodbyes will be very last impression of your hotel. So make sure that it is pleasant and it is not the last time when you see the guest. Okay, that is the last time. So you have to be very polite throughout your way. How to improve your service and avoid guest complaints. Client do not come first, employee come fast. So if you take care of your employee, they will take care of your clients. If you don't train them, if you don't teach them how to tackle, they cannot handle a simple guest complaint. So in most of cases, your staff is the face of your hotel, meaning that the receptionist will be the one observing good and bad guest emotions and comments. You have to make sure that the people working at the reception are empathic and astute people. They should be well aware of the guest complaints in all the department. They have quickly come up with the solution and still remain calm even in very awkward situation, because they should be trained professionally for all the departments, that may be front desk, back desk, housekeeping, reception, kitchen. So hold a proper training for your staff, not only about problem solving and intentions interaction with the guests, but also about surrounding things. Make sure they are aware of areas surrounded by the hotel, so they can give appropriate advice to a guest, different guests and with different issues. Also ensure that they are familiar with the system that are being used in the hotel. So this insecure system handling can make guests nervous or impatient. So system handling also very careful. They should aware of all the departments. Keep an eye on your website. It happens that the information and offers on the website are old and not accurate and longer. This can end up with a guest disappointment, leading to the bad experience and bad review. So why to go for the bad review? Be careful first. Do something with those complaints that are already received. You must track them and monitor on each and every possible platform. Nowadays guests have multiple channels where they can express their opinion about your place. There are TripAdvisor, there's Google reviews, there are all the different sites. So make sure you are aware of all the platforms, respond to the comment. This will show that you are listening and you are actually care. So definitely you have to respond for each and every bad or good guest complaints or reviews. That is your utmost duty. So if you notice that more guests are pointing out of one another aspect at the hotel, uncomfortable bed, noise from the street, grumpy reception, so that means they are an actual problem that needed to solution. So you have to pull your socks. You have to redesign your staffs. You are in the hospital business, so you need to see guest needs as the core of your business. Design all your product and service for your guests, not for your staff, but train the staff how to tackle the guest complaints. So the hotel is made for the guest only. If you hear negative review or complaint, listen. That your key to a better service. If people are complaining about something, might be that there is a reason for that and you were not aware of that issue. So you should aware of that, and there is a chance. Guests are also just a simple people who want to be treated fairly and honestly. So if you listen to their problem and apologize, they are most likely to forgive and forget the bad emotions they have come across in the hotel industry during their stay. So actually guest complaints can even be profitable. Just make sure that react quick and solve the problem in a pleasant manner. When unhappy guests receive the solution, they are more likely to be your loyal guests and say a good word about you. Thank you.